came by, we saw a commercial jetliner of today taking off the Pittsburgh field.
It's quite a sight, Phil. Yesterday and today, right there in front of us,
the last biplane used in military service in the United States. You can also outfit it with floats on the center, as well as floats on each wingtip, and it can be used as an amphibious, or I should say a seaplane. It wasn't amphibious, but you could fly it and land it in the water. Now, eyes straight on up, we'll look for the leapfrog jumper, and he is away out of his simulated stricken aircraft, free falling out of 4,500 feet. And with that distinctive opening of their leapfrog chute, we will now eye the orange landing area right there in front of the bleacher that shows center.
Oh, there's the chute.
Today, looks like he's going to have a little bit of fun there, increasing its rate of descent, spiraling it on down.
Well, he's just above your windshield there. You'll probably see him in a few more seconds.
Of the Naval Aviation, San Diego, California. One of the most famous
also had 300 of these
winged
aircraft.
The Stearman over
Corsair, and the fly just about anything. That leapfrog holds this very, very.
You see, take them and make them in an S, 2 S's, and put them under the wingtip. And it made an S, so it was kind of like a spring. And you'd get a wingtip, and the thing would bend down, then it'd try to straighten out and keep you from wrecking the fabric on the wingtip. This gal's watching out her window.
Didn't you say that they only let you break so many of those?
Oh yeah, they wash you out. Your instructor, you got too many of them. This thing out here, I can't see it.
I can't see it yet either, but I guess they'll all be about the same height. They're spacing them out quite a bit.
I thought they said they'd come down to 500 feet. That last guy was old plane at 1,000 feet.
Maybe when they go over the crowd, they have to be higher. He said they were 500 feet out there, but maybe they have to climb up when they go over all the people, you know, because...
Yeah. That's the SNJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, I came down over MJ's house at 500 feet. Gave me a reprimand. Some admiral's wife called North Island. Big F would have been. I could have flown that.
Oh, the Hellcat was something else too, boy.
Yeah, it was a big plane.
Having a little bit of fun, Captain Mark Hubbard, the Commodore from NAS Lemoore, Mother Hubbard. This aircraft was great in naval history. 75% of the air kills in the Pacific were done by this type of aircraft. 12,200 of them built. It had a kill ratio of 19 to 1. It was a relatively, it was a completely new design, I think.
Here he comes, the Hellcat.
Yeah.
Cool.
He does go a lot faster.
I've never seen one fly, actually.
He's at 500.
Yeah, you're right.
He's going very fast.
And power that thing has.
2,000.
2,000, yeah.
Hello! Hello! I know! Yeah, I can see it with my own eyes.
That looks neat, doesn't it? And here comes the Corsair, I think.
Now you tell their gull wing. 14-foot propeller.
Jeez.
13-foot. he's throttled back a lot. I think of all the fuel over there. Who's this guy? He's way high. He may not be in the parade.
No. I think might be a Wildcat. Yeah, I think it's the Wildcat, the predecessor of the Hellcat.
Only way they could fight the Zeros because they get up high and dive on them to get enough speed.
I think the next one's the SBD.
That's the old Douglas Dauntless. About to fly down.
Could they dive straight down, like pretty much,
maybe.
and not build up too much speed?
Yeah.
With those big flaps, I guess they use for...
They were strong. At 1,400 doors. Yeah, Ardo Keith said only way he could fight the Zeros with that plane is put it in a straight dive, go down, pull out just over the brush, and then the Zero, if he tried to stay with him, he'd fall apart. I don't know. I think it
looks like a B-17.
Got that rounded tail.
They were talking about it on the
Probably, yeah.
Lockheed ones or something.
Oh yeah, it's got a twin tail, doesn't it?
Yeah, Harpoon.
Oh yeah, I see the wing on there. Shelter Island was perfect for really seeing them, you know.
Yeah, we would have been better down there to
But
actually...
we couldn't get out there already, had it show. Neat to see the formation. Boy, look at him coming. They're going slow.
I guess it's a helicopter doing some
Yeah, I see him turn.
demonstration. We're so far away, it's can't really see much.
Went down behind the tree.
There's one going up really.
Plane or parachute?
No, it's one of those Harriers. I think there's two of them. I see one. I don't know if I see the other. He's kind of making a diving thing.
Not over here yet.
He's right above that palm tree. See?
Let's see him.
There's another one behind him.
That'd be nice.
Another one coming.
Land vertical. amazing they could do that. Pretty looking.
Yeah.
Pretty looking plane.
Yeah, it is.
Fast.
Aircraft indeed. You haven't seen a flight this big since the years of World War II.
That's not something you get to see every day in San Diego. And again, this is not one type of aircraft. This is the entire aero wing, folks. Anything that can come off that carrier, every type, is represented in the flyby.
Standing opposite of the base building today, that you can see
There they are.
before in San Diego. And this is one of them, with an amazing display of aircraft as the entire air wing of the USS Center is sitting there against Navy mortality. Within the air over North Island currently. What a sight.
Speed pretty high.
Downtown San Diego, folks. This is one for the record books, Cliff.
That is cool.